Hello guys, welcome to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. Let's do reading for sign of Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Capricorn. Let's do a general collective reading for your person and third party situation. So, third party can be a new partner, family, friends. So, take as it resonates in your situation. We will see how your partner and third party are getting along, what your person thinks about you now, messages from your partner for you, and tarot advice for you. This reading is for people who are not in contact with their person for some or the other reason. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all your love and support. So, note it's a general reading, so it may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and messages are not for you. So, I have already shuffled the cards and let's get into reading. So, what your person and the third party from outside it looks like. Okay, so looking at these cards, I think your partner is in some committed relationship and he's trying to get out of it. As I can see, these legal cards are there. So, first we will go through one by one sections. So, let's see. So, Capricorn, your situation with the third party, how it looks from outside. It looks like that everybody can see that Two of Wands, Ace of Swords, and family room. So it might be that your person is a married person and he is a family person. Okay, so from outside everybody can see that this family is not happy because there is no person in this, and this person, maybe he might be he or she. So take whatever resonates. So Two of Wands is your person or this third party is looking to go forward some in other direction. They might not be staying together either, because this family room is empty and this person is looking outside, so they might be far away from each other. So what other people see is that they can see the truth that they don't want to stay with each other, might be. Okay, so what is the unseen truth of this relationship? So I have got World card, Page of Pentacle, and Courtship. I think your person is in some kind of legal procedure to take a divorce. I think that is what I can see from these cards. World is ending of a relationship in a legal matter, and he has to, or he or she has to offer, or has to get this pentacle, that money matters are still supposed to be closed. So this is the true fact. They are taking meetings regarding this now, or they are just speaking with each other regarding this money matters. So what do they think about you in alone time? They, in the alone time, they think, I have got the card the Fool, Ten of Wands, and Courthouse. So what do they think about you? They think that this legal situation, whatever is going on in their life, is such a burden, and he or she is thinking that when this will be over, when he will be able to, or she will be able to uh, get a fresh start with you. And he has not even communicated this with you, because you can see the clouds behind it. He most of the time thinks about you, that when he will have this start, because he is overburdened with this legal situation. Might be you both are away from each other because of legal situations in this, because he is a married person and he is going through divorce. It might be the case. So what truth your person didn't know about this third party? So what they didn't know: Two of Pentacles, Page of Swords, and False Person. So I think your person didn't know earlier that he has to, like, his finances are gone, like his finances are going very crazy, and this third party was a false person for him. Can you see this? He's watching his this third party with so intensity in the background. He's very angry with her, I guess. You can see this yellow and this colors. So your person is very angry with this third party, and he didn't know that this third party only wanted money from him. So this truth has come in front of him now. So what action should you take towards your person, as you know the truth of third party? So I think you already knew this third party was there. So action, what cards want to tell you is that he is already going through legal justice. There was no legal justice with you. Sorry, there was no justice, karmic or legal justice with you. So he wants to balance the scales now. He want to offer his. I think you should offer your love to him. This gift can be a part of your love. So if you want to balance the situation, you have to offer him love and caring, and maybe this can also mean some financial help too. I think so. So what is he going through right now? The star, temperance, and despair. So your person is very stressful because I think not hiring means he is not having money. He is having money issues, but he is thinking the ways to balance it out, and he is hopeful about it, that he will balance, and he can emotionally, first of all he want to balance himself. Right now he is in despair. He want to balance the things and heal the situation with you. It can be that also. I hope it has resonated till now, and if it has resonated till now, please make energetic donation by liking, subscribing, and sharing my channel. It gives me motivation to keep making more videos. So let's continue with our reading. Messages from your person. So what are person, okay, what is your person wants to tell, speak to you if he has not spoken with you for a very long time? So what are messages from his end? I'll take three cards. Okay, okay. He wants to communicate a lot with you, I guess. Okay. See, I know you are my other half. He understands that you are his other half. He wants to give a commitment to you. See, I saw you in my dreams. He keeps dreaming about you. I feel so sad and helpless that I don't know which direction to go. It means it is because of this money problem. He doesn't know what to do. It is possible to forgive and forget. He thinks that he had hurt you, and he wants forgiveness, and he wants this fresh start, and he wants you to forgive and forget that things happened between you. For me, this relation always was priority. So it is that. So he wants to tell you that, see, I'm sorry for not giving you my time and attention you deserve. So he wants to come towards you, but he is stuck into this legal situation. So all these things are happening because of that. Now let's see advice for you from universe. Hermit, Queen of Rods, and Wheel of Fortune. So he wants to, Wheel of Fortune is number 10. You have 10 here again. So two tens are already there. So he's just waiting for this cycle to end. He wants this time to, okay, this time, Wheel of Fortune is going to turn in your favor as soon as this relationship of this person or this divorce is done. So He's just waiting. See, I have a shadow card of Hangman. So if you have been waiting for a long time and you are waiting for him to come back, then you have a good news that he will be coming back to you. The time will turn in your favor, and this other person will be thrown out of the picture. And Queen of Rods is, till that time you stay confident, beautiful, stay in your power. That is what they are advising you. Yeah. Okay, Capricorn, if this reading has resonated, please do comment, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. For personal readings, do check description box down below. And see you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.